To use your washing machine, the first thing you need to do is open this tray. Here you can place your pre-wash, your softener, or your main detergent. This one is for powder. If you're using liquid, we've supplied you with this, which you then place inside, and then you can pour your liquid in there. To turn the washing machine on, simply press this button here, and then you can choose between the different functions on offer. In the blue writing, you'll see the dry and wash settings, and then your normal settings for a wash. Once you've chosen which setting you would like, you can also change the temperature here. You can change the spin mode. You can do a pre-wash, a quicker wash, or an extra rinse. If you're doing a normal wash, you can also add on a drying function afterwards. Once you've picked your setting, you then press start to start the washing machine.